a trip to the supermarket.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thanks. Finally got all my weekend shopping done.
That's the best feeling. Ooh, I see you're getting this new brand of organic pasta.
Yes, I saw it on sale and thought I'd give it a try. Is it any good?
It's actually my favorite one. It cooks really well. And the sauce you picked, a perfect match. You're in for a treat.
Awesome! You just made me even more excited for dinner tonight. Now, I have a quick question. I couldn't find any fresh basil. Are you guys all out?
Oh, we just got a new shipment in this morning. It's probably still in the back. I can get someone to bring some out for you, if you can wait a minute.
That would be amazing, but I'm actually in a bit of a rush. No worries. I'll grab some from my garden. Do you have a loyalty card?
Not a problem. And yes, please. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, let's see what we have here. A man with a plan for a delicious meal.
I try my best. And just to be sure, the ice cream was buy one, get one free, right?
Yep, it is. The discount is already applied right here. Your total comes to $48.15.
Great. I'll pay with my card.
Sounds good. You can tap or insert whenever you're ready. And did you bring your own bags today?
I did. Right here. Saving the planet one shopping trip at a time.
We appreciate that. All right, the payment went through. Would you like a printed receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thanks so much for your help with the basil, by the way.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your pasta night.
I will. You have a great weekend.
You too.
Weekly Essentials Shopping.
Hello there. How is your day going?
It's going well, thank you. Just doing the big weekly shop.
I know that feeling. It's always good to get it done. Ah, I see you got the whole wheat bread. That's a popular choice.
Yes, we're trying to eat a bit healthier. It's perfect for sandwiches for the kids' lunches.
That's a great idea. Ooh, and good timing on the paper towels. They are on a special buy one, get one half price offer this week.
Really? I didn't even see that sign. That's a nice surprise. I'm always happy to save a little money.
Absolutely. Every little bit helps. Let's see. We also have milk, eggs. Looks like you're stocking up on all the essentials.
That's the plan. Oh, wait a second. Looking at all this reminds me, I think I completely forgot to get coffee.
Oh no, that's a morning must-have. The coffee is in aisle 6. I don't have anyone in line behind you, so you have time to go grab it if you'd like.
That is so kind of you to offer, but I think I'll just get it next time. My daughter is waiting in the car. I'll just add it to my list for tomorrow.
All right, not a problem. So, is that everything for you today?
Yes, that should be it.
Okay then. Do you have our store's reward card?
I do. It's on my keychain right here.
Perfect. I'll just scan that for you. And with the paper towel discount, your total comes to $62.40.
Okay, great. I'll be paying with my debit card today.
Sounds good. You can insert the chip into the machine whenever you're ready. And will you be needing any bags for your groceries?
Yes, please. I think I left my reusable ones at home by mistake.
It happens to the best of us. I'll get these packed up for you. And there we go. Your payment is approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you so much for your help. You've been very kind.
It was my pleasure. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thanks, you too.
At the clothing store.
Okay, look at this. Is this not the most perfect party jacket you have ever seen?
Wow, it's very shiny. Are those sequins? I think I can see my face in it.
Of course! The party theme is sparkle and shine. We need to look like walking disco balls. This is our mission.
I don't know if I can be a disco ball. I was thinking of something simpler. Maybe a nice black dress.
No, 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 no. That's too boring for the biggest party of the year. A party is a time to be bold. Look, what about this? Try this on, just for a laugh.
No way. I will look like a big fluffy chicken. That's too much, even for you.
Okay, you're right. Maybe not the chicken look. But we need some sparkle. Let's keep looking. The perfect outfits are in here somewhere.
Wait a minute. Look behind you. That navy blue dress, it has tiny little silver stars on it.
Oh, I see it. Let me grab it. Whoa, okay, this is actually beautiful. It's elegant, but it still sparkles. You found it! That is totally you.
Do you really think so? It's not too much?
It's perfect. It says, I'm here to have fun, not I am a giant disco ball. You have to try it on. And guess what? While you were looking at that, I found this.
Hey, that's great. It's super sparkly, but still very cool. It will look amazing with your black jeans.
I thought so too. See, we both found something. Mission accomplished.
Okay, now I am actually excited. We found our sparkle and shine outfits. Let's go try them on right now.
I told you we would. Now, after this, we have a new mission, finding shiny shoes to match.
What's your favorite book? Hi there. What are you reading? It looks really interesting.
Oh, hi. I'm reading a book called Island of Adventure. It's about a group of kids who discover a secret map on an old ship.
A secret map? Wow, that sounds exciting. I love adventure stories. Is it good?
It's amazing. I can't stop reading it. Every page has something new and exciting happening. What about you? What kind of books do you like?
I like funny books a lot. I just finished a book that made me laugh so much.
Oh, really? What was it called?
It's called My Crazy Dog, Henry. It's about a boy whose dog can secretly talk, but the dog only says silly things.
A talking dog? That sounds hilarious. I think I would like a book like that.
You should definitely read it. The pictures in the book are very funny too. It's a very easy and fun read.
I will add it to my list. Maybe we can trade books when we're both finished. You can read my adventure book, and I can read your funny book.
That is a fantastic idea. I would love to borrow your book. It sounds like the perfect thing to read next.
Great. I only have a few chapters left. I will probably finish it tonight.
Perfect. I have my book in my backpack right now. You can take it whenever you are ready.